Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study about the SST chapter 9, Safety is Must. So students, in this chapter we will study about the good touch, bad touch, safety at home, at school, on road and the first aid. So what is the meaning of safety? Safety means that you are safe somewhere. That means आप कहीं पे safe हैं, सुरक्षित हैं. So let's see what is the chapter is all about. So let's begin. Here you can see the picture over here, students. So here is a man. See? Here is a man, there is two children over here, boy and a girl, and there is an alien also. Okay, so hi, I have a candy for you. So there is a man who offers the candy to a child. So he said, wow, I love candies. So the alien said, yes, I love candies. So here is a girl who says, stop, stop, stop. That means ruko. And there is a boy who tells, you shouldn't accept anything from a stranger. That means you shouldn't take anything from the stranger. Stranger means a person whom you don't know. That is completely strangers to you. That means कि आपको जिस इंसान के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता है उससे आप कोई भी सामान नहीं लेंगे. Okay? So again there is a take the person whom you ask for help if a stranger is troubling you. So there is a lady, we can see her, there is a car driver and there is a policeman. So students, always go for the policeman if someone is troubling you, और अगर आपको कोई परेशान कर रहा है, always go to the policeman. Okay, so that means we will tick mark here, this one. Okay students, let's see what else in the chapter. Children often meet strangers. They might be present outside the school gate or in park. They try to seek attention of children by offering them chocolates, toffees, promise something the child would want. So students, we meet most of these strangers out of our school gate, park where we go for playing. They offer actually the chocolates which the children like the most, like toffees, and they also promise you like whatever you want they will provide you. So first of all, students, don't ever talk to these kinds of strangers. Like there is a point given over here, do not talk to strangers. Don't talk to strangers. Do not take any eatables from strangers. Eatable means, that means जो आप खाने वाली चीज़ें हैं उनसे कभी नहीं लेनी चाहिए. Without your parents' permission, never go out of the house alone. आपको अपने पेरेंट्स की परमिशन के बगैर कभी बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. Shout help if some strangers forces you to go with him or her. हमेशा ज़ोर ज़ोर से चिल्लाना चाहिए अगर कोई स्ट्रेंजर, कोई अनजान इंसान आपसे कहता है कहीं जाने के लिए, और हेल्प मांगिए किसी आसपास के लोगों से. So now we will discuss about the good touch and bad touch. We meet many people in our daily lives. Sometimes we shake hands and sometimes we hug some people. It is very important for everyone to understand the difference between the good touch and the bad touch. So students, we should always understand about the good touch and the bad touch. मतलब आपको कौन अच्छे से छू रहा है और कौन बुरे से छू रहा है. हम लोग अपनी डेली लाइफ में बहुत सारे लोगों से मिलते हैं जो कि हमें कुछ लोग अच्छे से बिहेव करते हैं, कुछ जो मिलते हैं वो हमारे साथ बहुत बुरी तरीके से बिहेव करते हैं. So let's see students, what is the meaning of good touch and the bad touch. If any friend or a relative holds your hands, hugs you, kisses us, we always have the right to say no if we do not like it. We must talk to our parents, teachers about anything that we are not comfortable with. We should remain alert to keep ourselves safe. So students, हमें हमेशा इस बात का ख्याल रखना चाहिए, जो चीज़ हमसे मिसबिहेव कर रहा है या जो चीज़ हमें पसंद नहीं है, if someone is doing to us, that means we should straight away say no. Like students, here two pictures. There is a man here who is touching a girl in an improper way, like he is touching in a very bad, this is what is called the bad touch. अगर आपको कोई स्ट्रेंजर यानी कि अननोन इंसान आपको कोई छू रहा है तो वो क्या कर रहा है, वो आपके साथ गलत कर रहा है. एंड हेयर इज़ अ डॉक्टर, वी कैन सी हेयर, एंड इफ दैट डॉक्टर इज टचेज यू, दैट मीन्स वो आपकी बीमारी के लिए आपको टच कर रहा है, तो दैट इज़ अ गुड टच. सो दिस इज व्हाट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द बैड टच एंड द गुड टच. So now here we comes with the safety is must. Safety is must. Accidents mostly occur due to carelessness or when we are in a hurry. We need to allow some safety rules to avoid accidents and be safe. Here are some of the safety rules to be followed at various places. So students, safety is also must. यानी कि आप जहाँ पे भी हैं हमेशा सेफ रहें, यानी कि सुरक्षित रहें. So accidents, many times we see when we walk on the road, we are in a hurry and we always see some kind of carelessness on the roads, and because of that carelessness we sometimes we met with the accidents. So here are some rules which are made for our safety and we should follow those rules like this. Stay at home. Always be careful while using knife, blades and other sharp objects. You might hurt while using them. So students, always when you are using any sharp, that means knife, blade or any sharp objects, you should use them very carefully. Do not play with the matchbox or lighter. They can cause fire. So students, don't ever play with the matchbox and the lighters what we use in the kitchen because they cause fire. Do not touch switches and electric appliances with wet hands. You might get an electric shock. And always remember students, when you are using the electric equipments, that means you will, with your wet hands or wet legs or you're wet, so don't ever touch, you will get the shock. Toilets and floor cleaners should be kept out of reach, and the toilet cleaners what we use in the bathroom, that also should be kept out of reach. Okay students, no, never touch all these bottles which are there in your house. Do not use mobile phones while charging, and always remember students, don't ever use your mobile phones when it is charging. Okay. Using computers and tablets for longer time can cause your vision problems. It also promotes poor posture leading to backache. So that students, always remember that when you are using a computer or a tablet, don't use it for a long time because it causes your vision problem. That means your eyesight problem. And also when you're using these appliances or computers or tablets, always sit in a very proper way, because by sitting in a wrong posture, that will cause you back pain or back ache. That means आपको हो सकता है आपको बैक का दर्द होने लग जाए. So always sit in a very proper way. Never take any medicines without asking your parents. So students, never ever take any medicine without consult of your parents and the doctors. Okay? Always inform your parents before going out, and always inform your parents when you're leaving the house. Okay? So students, this is the first part of this chapter. I hope you have understood about the safety, about the precautions what we should take in our daily lives. So students, here we come for the end of the first part. In the next part, we will discuss the other things.